Unboxing the Kaido House 510 Pro Street that Adam brought to me from Sydney, Australia. Can't. Let's get it on. Get in there, you can't. Get in there. Oh, not easy with one hand. Fucking. Do. Seal. You fucking. Give it a minute. Alright, got the seals off. There we go. Age 14 plus. Okay, I'm good. Alright, I'm old enough. Come on, get out. You can't. Get out. Get out. Oh, there she comes. Oh, she's very tight. Very, very tight. Oh, and there we go. Oh, would you look at that? Would you look at that?
All right.
Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that cunt. Oh, unboxing in the boxing. Oh, look at this cunt. Oh, fucking, yeah.
Haven't got my glasses on.
Fucking,
Yeah.
nah. Oh, fucking, oh, you get the glasses on, you cunt. Oh, you fucker. Oh, yeah, I will put some fingerprints on.
Oh, no.
Yeah, you fucking got. Oh, there you fucking go. Fuck me, it's fucking broken, mate. Why are the wheels so far up in the body? Fucking. Oh, fucking sparkly. Kaido House. Fucking get up.
Fucking bag it up, you cunt.
Bag it up, cunt. Bag it up.
Can't do bad.
Fucking, how does this open? How does this open? Fucking, oh, it's supposed to open. Yeah, it does.
False advertising from the.
It says the fucking door's open.
From the windscreen.
I can't fucking do it. Oh, it's just too tight. Oh, wrong way, cunt. Oh, look at that. Oh, fucking turbo in there. Oh, yeah, fucking turbo. Oh, yeah.
Get some.
Cunt fucking died. Dead.
And cut.